Alrighty, this is the first time this is all assembled. I'm really looking forward to pulling this thing back. Hopefully it works really well. I haven't put it in the magazine, but we'll see. Huh. I miscalculated something. Hello all. I wanted to show you guys my Crossbow project, my Expo project, 100% 3D printed parts, no steel, no extra gizmos required, just 100% printer filament and a little bit of super glue. I've been working on this project for a couple months now, and I really want to show you guys the 3D modeling touch-ups and some of the labor it takes to put one of these puppies together. Also the design process through iterations. You'll see me fail over and over. Yeah, enjoy. Loads up. You got one. You got two. It's loaded. Yeah. I'm proud of my little thing. It doesn't have the range that I want it to, because I think I need to redesign the bolt to make it more front heavy so that it doesn't bend in the air. But yeah, I really like the design overall. I think it's weird to have this all done with 3D printed parts, but yeah. So after looking at my model and looking at my bolt, I realized that I need to do some 3D modeling touch-ups, so here I am doing it.
Alrighty, let's 3D model some stuff. I want to mess around with this little crossbow pistol. I wanted to take this particular design for my crossbow bolt. You can see in here that current one. So that's the old version. And you can see it has this sort of twist, and I thought that the twist would help it sort of spin. And when it spins, it'll theoretically make it more stable. But what ended up happening here was it would start to twist and then it would tumble because of the center of mass was too far in the back, and it just sort of didn't work out so well. So I redesigned it. Oops. I don't know where the other part of it was, and I made this, except it had this little tail fin, which you can see right there. Something I realized when this little part broke into pieces is that this shoots really fast, like this. Like really, really fast. It shot across the room instead of just shooting into a pillow, which exceeded my expectations without having a lot more power in my spring system. So let's just undo that. So I'm going to redesign my little device here. Non-copyrighted music goes here. Yeah, it's stuff and modeling and yeah, non-copyrighted. All right. Now, the next big thing I wanted to do with my model was redesign this bow here and here, because it's strong how it is and it works well for a little gizmo that I currently have, but I want it to be stronger. I want it to I want to see if I can do some real frickin' damage with this thing, because if I can do some real gosh darn damage with it, that'd be cool. Not them advocating using this to hurt anything, but still be fun to mess around with some cardboard or whatnot. see. So I need to make these thicker, but I'm not sure how I want to do that because I still want it to look cool and not just make it extruded up.
I still haven't found any non-copyrighted music, so yeah, let's just talk about modeling and stuff for this time lapse. This time lapse thing that I'm doing, and yeah,
I'm thinking that might be a little bit too much height. Yeah. So undo that. I made this sort of cross-sectional, I call it an accordion spring. I don't know what it's actually called. I did this so that I could make it more, distribute the load over more surface area. When you distribute the load over more surface area, you'll get a lot more into it. Or you'll get a lot more strength. Otherwise, one second. Another reason why iterations are important. Otherwise, you get, so this was my initial system. This one did not work for a lot of reasons. I didn't even try pulling back the spring all the way because it's just, I wasn't comfortable with it. So, I did reprint it, and I made modifications, and I thought this system would work. Obviously, it broke at high velocity, and it cracked really bad. Oh boy, it was so dangerous. I think I lost one of the pieces that sort of held that whole corner together. Oh boy. Anyway.
I still haven't found any non-copyrighted music. This is such a long thingy to just kind of fill in with filler of fillness. I'm modeling stuff. I'm talking about other models I've modeled in modeling, in a modeling program for modeling. For fuck's sake, just fuck! I can't figure this out. Stuff, filler, words in a row. I'm programming stuff now. I'm looking at my model to see what I need to improve. Bugger. There's just nothing else I got. Just stuff and things. And come on, time lapse, go faster. Just a little faster. I only got so much breath in my lungs. Come on.
So the objects are printing now, both the bolt and the new accordion bow. The next scene will be me taking off the supports and cleaning up the print. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the 3D modeling touch-ups and sort of seeing the introduction for my crossbow pistol. I will be doing the 3D print cleanup in my next video for all my new parts. I will see you guys next time.